Hello everyone, welcome to the 30 days spoken English challenge. I am going to start from now, guys. This is the introduction video of 30 days spoken English challenge, guys. This is the challenge for beginners, especially who come from a very humble background, who come from village areas. This is I am going to make for them, especially who are beginner, who wants to improve seriously. They are focused on learning this language. They want to learn, they want to improve their self, they want to speak good English. So this is what I am going to make 30 days challenge. 30 days challenge I am going to make, in which I will be telling every day different perspective, different vocabs, phrases and techniques, grammatic things. I will be telling everything in these 30 days. If you will watch these 30 days continuously, you will definitely upgrade yourself. You will definitely be able to speak very fluent after 30 days. You are going to enhance your communication skills. You are definitely going to learn this language very soon if you are going to follow this challenge, guys. Definitely it is also a challenge for me because I never try to make these kinds of content ever. So I have to make every day a new video on different topics. This is also a challenge for me, but I just have to improve myself. And for you also, I am making this content because if you will watch this content, you are going to improve very much. You are going to learn this language very soon, and I will be telling everything in this 30 days challenge. So guys, from your side, you just have to stick with this challenge. If you will watch every video of this challenge, I can assure you that you will definitely be able to speak a very good English, amazing English after these 30 days. And guys, firstly, you need to ask yourself these 4 questions that I am going to arise in your mind. Number 1, can you have a basic conversation in English language? If you not, please try to do a conversation every day. Talk to yourself. Number 2, are you comfortable in basic vocabularies, or are you struggling in making sentences? If you are not comfortable in basic vocabs like make, take, bath, look, these kinds of vocabs you need to learn. These are basic vocabularies you need to learn. Definitely you will have to speak every day. You just need to learn these basic everyday life vocabs. Guys, number 3, how often do you use English in your daily life conversation? Do you use very much in your day? If you are using, you are in a very good phase of learning this language. You will learn it faster. If you are not, please try to speak at least whatever the things you can speak. You just have to speak in English language. And guys, number 4, that is how confident are you in speaking, listening and writing English language. If you are not confident, you are in a very basic level. You are in a very beginner level, because when I was beginner, I also used to face difficulties. I also was not able to speak. I was not able to understand enough. If you are a beginner, then definitely you will not be able to speak. If you have learned very much in this language, you will definitely be able to speak very much. So these 4 questions you have to ask yourself. You just have to note down your diary. You have to arise these questions in your mind, and you have to answer these questions down. You just have to note down in your diary, how am I performing in these questions. If I am well, you are in a very good level of learning this language. If you are able to perform very well in these 4 questions. If you are not, you are in a very basic level, you are a beginner, so you need to learn a lot. And guys, this is what I am going to make 30 days challenge. Every day you will find very new content, a very new topic to know about for your communication skills, for your English improving skills. Guys, believe me, if you are going to watch this session, you will definitely be able to learn English very soon, very fast. Guys, if you are watching me, please do follow this 30 days challenge what I am going to start. If you are in a very basic manner, or if you are in a very good phase of learning this language, it doesn't matter, because if you are going to follow this 30 days challenge, you are going to make your English advanced. If you want to be advanced in English language, if you want to be an advanced speaker, you just have to focus on this on this 30 days challenge, because in this challenge you will be finding a very different perspective, new ideas, vocabs, sentences uses, and different things. I will not just be teaching you in this session. I will also try to make you confident, try to make you feel some kind of motivation in this challenge, because motivation is definitely needed for learning anything which is new for us, because without motivation you will not be able to perform well. You will be lazy, you will be uncomfortable with that. You will not try to speak well if you are not motivated enough. If you are motivated, you will definitely be trying speaking, because motivation leads to do everything. If you have motivation, you can learn this language. For motivation, you just have to watch this 30 days challenge that I am going to start. So this was an introduction video in which I wanted to talk about my 30 days challenge that I am going to start. I will be uploading a video every day. One video every day. I will be uploading in different topics of this session. So you will definitely be learning this language, and you are going to follow this challenge. You will definitely be having a feeling of gratification that I have learned a lot, because you already have you already maybe set the target that I have to learn this language in this year, come what may. I don't want to feel bad after this year that I could not achieve anything. So if you don't want to feel like this, you just have to watch this 30 days challenge and my videos. You just have to improve, come what may. If you don't watch my videos, it doesn't matter for me. You just have to focus on yourself. You just have to learn this language in this year. You can learn this language very well if you are giving enough time every day for learning this language. You will definitely be improving very much. So this is what I wanted to talk about in this video. If you like, then definitely like my videos and subscribe to my channel, and share to all your friends who also wants to learn this language, who also wants to improve their communication skills, their spoken English, because it can help a lot to them, because this is 30 days challenge, guys. And comment on my video, how is the video? Okay, have a good day. We will meet next day in 30 days challenge. Okay, have a good day. Bye bye.